The next toolpath we are going to create through CAM, Profile, New, is going to be a Z-level remachining toolpath. We are going to call this Rough 02. And again, we are going to select our generic template, go to our tooling database. We're going to use a 6mm ball. Again, going to use rough settings. This time, we're going to select a different holder to help clear the wall. You'll notice the toolpath now shows up in our process list. Once the toolpath is in the process list, we can hit Optimize All to allow it to optimize. Now we're going to go in and check some of the settings of this toolpath. The first thing we want to look at is the last tool used. A Z-level remachine program is designed to go back and remachine areas left over from the tool before. This last tool used section will allow us to reference the toolpath before it to pull the information from it. You'll notice it's going to pull in the tool type, the diameter, the cutting edge radius, the minimum distance, and the corner R processing. Corner R processing is the size of the arc left in the corner from the previous toolpath, and the minimum distance keeps it out of areas that are too small for the tool to effectively fit in. You'll also see Z ranges, step downs, a path for flats, stock values, arc settings of this individual toolpath, again, approach and escape tool sections, precision settings, tool settings, and 5-axis settings we will get to at a later point. At this point, this toolpath is ready to go. If we hit OK and hit play, this toolpath will calculate and then optimize. Again, on this toolpath, you will see the warning. Again, we didn't change our protruding length, so we will go back and change our protruding length to 50 millimeters. In a later section, we will deal with 5-axis conversions so that we do not need to hang our tools out this long. For this example, we're just going to extend the tools to make them work. We will now recalculate to get a good toolpath. With our toolpath now green, we can double-click the toolpath to see what it looks like, seeing that it's only going in the areas where the previous tool did not go. We can also check our stock model by right-clicking on the toolpath and going to Show Solid Work. This will bring up an accurate representation of what your stock block looks like. The pink is what was machined by the first toolpath, the yellow being what was machined by the second. Close this out and we are ready to make our next toolpath.